Thanks. At Nissan, we believe one of the keys to a thrilling driving experience is technology that's compatible with everyday life. So we created the new MyNISSAN App. The app puts control back in your pocket and gives you more access to your Nissan through your smartphone. Your MyNISSAN app, coupled with a NissanConnect services subscription, lets you do all kinds of things. For Nissan vehicles equipped with the remote engine start system, you can start your vehicle and unlock your car ahead of time. When subscribed, you also have access to real-time notifications about your vehicle's health and whereabouts, so you can easily find your car. I knew it was there. The MyNISSAN app keeps you up to date on the status of your vehicle, so you can quickly connect to your dealer to schedule a service. And if you own a Nissan Ariya, you can check your level of charge and set your ideal temperature ahead of time. The MyNISSAN app is essential if you want to get the most thrill out of your experience. So download the new MyNISSAN app today and explore what's more to your Nissan.